Today I'm going to show you how to fix x.com and Twitter error 141 quickly and safely. If you've been getting stuck on a login error, a loading issue, or something that just refuses to work, this simple fix can often get you back in without wasting time. The best part is that it only takes a minute or two, and you do not need any advanced settings or complicated troubleshooting. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, if you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, turn it off and switch to your mobile data instead. In some cases, the error can be caused by a network issue, and changing your connection can refresh the way X or Twitter loads. So disconnect from Wi-Fi completely and try logging in using mobile data. If you are already on mobile data, do the opposite and switch over to Wi-Fi. The goal here is to change the connection type and see if that clears the problem right away. Once you've switched networks, go back and try opening x.com or Twitter again. If the error is still showing, don't worry, because the next step is just as important. Now press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, make sure you clear your cookies and cache. These stored files can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, which can trigger login errors like this one. Select the options for cookies and cache data, then clear them completely. After that, close the browser, reopen it, and try signing in again. In many cases, that's enough to fix error 141 and get everything working normally again. If it still doesn't work the first time, try repeating the steps once more, switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, and then clearing cookies and cache again. Small connection or browser storage issues can be the reason the error keeps appearing, so this simple reset usually does the trick. And that's it. You've now fixed x.com or Twitter error 141 using a quick network switch and a browser cleanup. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fast fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.